Welcome to Chinese Writing for Beginners. Stroke order made easy.
Do you want to write Chinese like a pro? Let's make it easy. In the video, we'll learn the basic stroke order rules to help you write Chinese characters correctly. Rule 1, top to bottom. Example, character.
3.
3. Write the top horizontal line first, then the middle line, and finally the bottom line. Rule 2, left to right. Example, character.
川
Stream. Write the leftmost vertical first, then the middle, and finally the rightmost. Rule 3, horizontal first, then vertical. Example, character.
10.
10. Write the horizontal first, then the vertical. Rule 4, left stroke before right stroke. Example, character.
人
People. Write the left stroke first, then the right stroke. Rule 5, outside before inside. Example, character.
同
Together. First write the outer frame, then write the internal. Rule 6. Outside first, then inside. Finally close the frame. Example, character.
4.
4. First write the outer frame, then write the internal, and finally add the closing horizontal stroke. Let's quickly recall the 6-stroke order rules. 1. Top to bottom. 2. Left to right 3. Horizontal before vertical 4. Left stroke before right stroke 5. Outside before inside 6. Outside first, then inside, and finally close the frame. With these simple rules, you can write thousands of Chinese characters correctly.
Want to learn more? Subscribe for more Chinese writing lessons. Thank you for watching.